share something with you this morning that I think is important. Get this car fired up and warm. Got some cranes out there. It's beautiful Florida, spring morning. But hey, so with regard to my Airlift suspension, I do want to bring something up that I've been sort of tracking for a while now. I did the original video, the install, and I apologize. I never published part 2 of that video, and it's mostly been because of my medical situation. I haven't been able to really get down under the car in the way that I want to fully show everything. I did capture some footage. I'm going to try and get something out. I just wasn't happy with it, and I wanted to reshoot it when I was healthier, and it's been a problem for me. But anyway, that's not why I'm doing this video. What I do want to talk about though is the upper strut bushings on these. When I first got this kit, like, it was super quiet, super chill for about a week, and then I started having these bushing sounds. And I know a lot of people have had this problem with the Airlift suspension like bushings. So check out this video of what was going on. Now, a lot of people have had this problem. I have myself even contacted Airlift Suspension, and they said, oh yeah, we're gonna send you replacement bushing to fix this problem. A lot of people have been complaining about this, but here's what happened. I never replaced the bushing, never. I just kept driving because this is my daily driver. I didn't have time to, like, it was not something I was interested in doing. And I want you to know that all of those noises have stopped. All of it. So as I drive out of here, I want you to notice that I do not have any squeaks or squeals or, oh my God, the sun, I should have gone the other way. So as I drive out of here, I want you to notice there's no squeaks or squeals. There's none of that. Like, it is now silent on the bushing side of the suspension. So I think this is something that Airlift Performance, like, those folks haven't quite apparently figured out yet. I think there's a break-in period for these that has to be gone through. Because, like, it was horrible for a little while, and then all of that went away, and now no issues at all. So, like, I wanted to share that because I know a lot of people have been trying to swap out these bushings and complaining about these bearings and all that stuff, and for some reason even the manufacturer is saying you got to replace, it's bad bushing. And it's like, is it really a bad bushing? Because now I think they've broken in and they don't make any sound now. So my suggestion and my recommendation to you is, if you install an Airlift Performance suspension and you start getting some noise that you don't like, wait it out. I think it will break in, and I think you will be happy in the end. Don't fall for the trap of swapping out parts and all that. Right? So props to the manufacturer for even, like, just sending me replacement parts, basically under warranty. But I didn't use them, and I don't think I need to, and I don't think you need to either. So that's it. Short video. Just wanted to share that. Like I said, it kind of threw me off because I was not expecting it to go away on its own. But when it did, yeah, I mean, things are great. Thanks for watching, y'all. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.